What if I told you that you can speak fluent English step by step without living in an English-speaking country, without expensive courses, and without being perfect from the beginning?
Most people think it takes years of hard study, but the truth is much simpler.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. Welcome to Qlip English.
Today, we're going to show you a clear, practical path to speak fluent English step by step. This method is designed for busy adults who want real progress without feeling overwhelmed.
We'll focus on small daily habits that actually work, not complicated grammar rules.
The first step is to speak to yourself every single day, even for 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing. I'm drinking coffee. The cup is warm. I feel ready for the day. This simple habit trains your mouth and your brain to think in English.
The second step is shadowing. Listen to short English conversations or podcasts and repeat what you hear immediately after the speaker. Copy their rhythm and speed. This helps your speaking become smoother and more natural.
The third step is to ask and answer yourself. Turn your thoughts into questions. What did I do today? I went to work and met my friends. How do I feel? I feel tired but hopeful.
The fourth step is to describe your surroundings. Look around and say what you see. I see a blue sky. The trees are green. The air feels fresh. This builds natural vocabulary without stress.
The fifth and most important step is consistency. Speak a little every day, even if it's messy at first. Small daily practice is much more powerful than studying for hours once a week.
Let me share a short story. I had a friend named Ahmed, 42 years old. He understood English well but could barely speak. He started doing these 5 steps for just 10 minutes every morning. After 2 months, he told me he could finally hold real conversations at work without feeling nervous.
So here's your simple challenge this week. Choose 3 of these 5 steps and practice them every day for 10 minutes. Speak out loud. No correcting yourself.
Tell us in the comments, which 3 steps will you start with this week? And what is one thing you want to be able to say fluently in English?
If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who wants to speak fluent English step by step. In the next video, we're going to talk about the 1% native listening secret. This is a very powerful lesson you don't want to miss.
Thank you for watching. Remember, fluency comes from small daily steps. Keep going.
See you in the next one. Bye.